Welcome to English Essays. Get access to quality essay that help you score. Here is a 10-line essay in English on my school. I am a student at Xavier's English School. I study in class 1 and we have 4 subjects. We always start our day with prayer at school. My teachers are caring and loving. My school is clean and beautiful. It has science labs and a library. I like the school canteen as it serves various food during recess. Our school has a large playground where we play basketball with friends. I love my school as it offers us quality education and good manners. Our school organizes various cultural programs every year. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more English essays.